quite excited about doing this, you know.
Are you?
I have been all week. I've been like, I'm starting.
I'm going to start.
Easily pleased.
Well, it is quite exciting, I think, isn't it? Because it is something really quite different and new, and there's a lot of hope for
change,
for improvement, isn't there? Yeah.
This is day number 1. This is day number 1. Yeah, I've got my shake already. That was shakers, and that one. And I'm going to make my first one up. Vanilla, I think it is today. Sorry, you've got my cat climbing around. Between 200 and 300. So I put about 250 in it. Excuse me. Oh, moggy down. Pretty easy these, you know. Right, vanilla. So in you go. Right, now the tricky part is get the lid on straight. Cocktail now. Give it a good shake. This is going to be my morning workout. It is, yeah.
What did you think of the samples?
All the shakes were brilliant.
Okay.
Wasn't struck on the soups.
You didn't like the soups? Okay.
It smells like liquid ice cream. My first shake. Does smell nice. It's lovely.
Another part of the screening process is giving them the samples of the diet replacement products to try. We also need to check that patients don't have eating disorders because they would obviously need to be dealt with separately.
When it says you've got to drink more water, 2 litres it recommends. You can drink more than that?
2.25 litres. Yes, you can drink more
than that.
Because
I averagely drink about 2 litres anyway. My fridge, gonna have a look. I've already pre-emptied most of it. So I've got bottles and bottles and bottles of water, jams. And my favourite thing is cheese. So I'll have to get rid of the cheese. Yeah, staple stuff. So they will go in the bin. And cherry bagels. This is pumpkin. Hello, pumpkin.
Weight is monitored at each appointment to chart your progress.
I have wellies
probably
on today.
should take your wellies off, really. You're not going to be wearing wellies every week, are you? So.
No, the weather will be nice in a couple of months. I'm not going to be in wellies, am I?
No.
Mind you, it is Wales.
82.6.
No matter what the weather, the Counterweight programme predicts how much weight you should be losing in pursuit of your goals, which may well be similar to Deborah's.
No diabetes. Hopefully off the metformin. And thinner. Yeah, no, I've got to get some new clothes. Yeah, I tend to wear loose things anyway, so be nice. Looking forward to it. I am actually. So my appointment with you now is in 2 weeks, isn't it?
Just because it's the first week, I just want to see you after 1 week just to check how it's gone.
Okay, brilliant.
And check your blood sugar as well, because we're stopping the medication. Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
lovely.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Marion.
Thank you.
See you
Good
next
luck.
week.
Have a good week. I'm actually, kind of sitting with fingers crossed as I see people when they're coming back to see how they've got on. And yeah, to hopefully intervene while somebody is still healthy and keep them healthy rather than wait until they become unhealthy.
We look forward to an update from Marion and Deborah, coming soon.